Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add music in your Instagram post with multiple photos. Open Instagram and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. You will find the camera tab. Now select Reels. Tap on the square icon at the bottom left corner to add some photos. You can add as much as you want. After you've chosen a few, it'll suggest music for you to use. Just tap on the music icon and you will find the music tab, or you can search your own music if you want. And that's pretty much it. You're done. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.